And it's now time for the business review. A taste of health, the slogan behind a small catering company in Old Harbour, St. Catherine called Princess Pastry Palace. And though the name calls out to those with a sweet tooth for baked delights, Princess Pastry Palace is not just about pastry. JAVAUGHN Keys explains.
When I was coming up with the name, I sat down and I said, how can I develop a name that will reflect who I am as a person and kind of give that like a fun and spunk. So it was Princess, and then a princess lives in a palace, so Princess Pastry Palace.
Princesses are normally on the outside of the kitchen, but Princess Richards is the gifted hands behind her products at Princess Pastry Palace in Old Harbour, St. Catherine. The 27-year-old says the company dates back as far as her first year in high school, but the home-based catering and pastry company was officially launched in 2016.
I've been baking all my life, and from a very small age, I can remember on Sundays when she used to cook and I'm always in the kitchen. She was making pie. I had my scraps of dough and I used to roll it out and make my own little, I call them sugar pops. I roll up the extra dough and I baked it and then I egg washed it, put it back in and put a little sugar on it. And I used to sell it to my brothers and other family members.
With the help of her mother, who is co-owner of the company, Princess Pastry Palace has expanded its footprint from family members to clients overseas.
We offer character cakes, so we offer Batman cakes, we offer, the other day I did a Peppa Pig cake, we do wedding cakes as well. We also do catering services, so if someone is getting married, we offer full catering service where we do all courses of the meal. We can also provide the cake along with that, and anywhere in Jamaica or abroad.
She says being healthy can also include being delicious, adding that she's especially proud that the company provides food and dessert choices to those with health conditions.
We also have vegetarian options because I'm vegetarian, and sometimes as a vegetarian, you know, you go out and you don't have a lot of options for things to eat, so I also cater for those persons who are vegetarians or those persons who are diabetic. And surprisingly enough, mommy has a lot of food allergies. So for those persons who are the gluten-free people and all of those persons, we cater to those persons as well.
And though there has been a reduction in demand, Princess shared that they are in the process of establishing a physical location for the business.
So we're trying to see as best as how we can expand the business over the next few years and, you know, try to accommodate, host events and offer services. And also for those persons who, you know, are trying to go on their health journey and persons who are more health conscious, like in the vegetarian options, if we can also involve some type of training where that is concerned and persons to be more educated in terms of vegetarian.
And like many businesses, the company was challenged by the COVID-19 pandemic with reduced income and increased prices on raw material.
We're still feeling the impact of COVID because we mainly cater to events, we cater to meetings, and based on the restriction that we had with COVID limiting the amount of persons in any area, you know, persons working from home, we had a big drop right there.
From 500 Jamaican dollars, Princess Pastry Palace is on its way to culinary stardom. For the Business Review, I'm JAVAUGHN Keys.